Are you tired of buyers forgetting to leave feedback? Turn on reminders in 30 seconds and watch your reviews grow. I know that feeling. You ship out an item, you provide great service, and then nothing. No feedback. It's one of the biggest missed opportunities for building trust on eBay. But don't worry, there's a really simple fix built right into your account settings. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting in your account. Just follow these simple steps. All right, let's start. The very first thing you want to do is log into your eBay account and look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your account name, or maybe just a little profile icon. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that profile area. Don't click anything just yet, just hover. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with a few different options, and that's exactly what we need. Now, from that drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This is your main hub for everything behind the scenes. Your payments, your shipping preferences, and for us, your communication settings. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll be on a page with a bunch of tabs and links. Don't let it overwhelm you. You're looking for one specific thing. On the left-hand side of that account settings page, you'll see a menu. Scroll down just a little until you see the option that says Communication Preferences. Give that a click. This is where eBay controls how and when they talk to your buyers. And here's the really important part. This is also where you can tell eBay to do some of the talking for you. You'll now see a list of different options, like promotional emails, reminders, and so on. What we're after is a specific section called Feedback Reminders. It might be underneath a heading like Buyer Communications. Once you spot it, just take note of it. We're almost there. Next to Feedback Reminders, you'll see a button that says Edit. Go ahead and click on that. A little window or a new section will pop up right on the same page. This is where the magic happens. And in my experience, working with eBay settings, this is the step most people miss or just skip past. Now, inside that edit window, you'll see a toggle switch or a checkbox that says something like Send Feedback Reminders. Make sure that toggle is set to On. If it's already on, fantastic, you're all set. But if it's off, which is really common, just flip that switch. That's it. That one click is what tells eBay to automatically send a gentle reminder to your buyer a few days after their item is delivered, asking them to leave feedback. So now that we've got that set up, let's make it stick. Look for a blue or gray button that says Save. Click it. You might get a brief confirmation message saying your preferences were updated. That's good. That means it's working. And here's the contrast to before. Before this, if you forgot to send a personal message, you probably got zero feedback. But now, eBay handles that reminder for you automatically. It's a small change that can make a huge difference in how quickly your seller reputation grows. More feedback means more trust from future buyers, and more trust means more sales. So, to recap, you hover over Profile, click Account Settings, go to Communication Preferences, find Feedback Reminders, click Edit, turn it on, and hit Save. 6 steps, maybe 30 seconds of your time. And from now on, you'll be building that trust without even thinking about it. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.